So that thing, like I said before, it's only supposed to reach 328, and you said they're 450 roughly.
Yeah.
That's actually, this unit right here is $499. Come with a scope and all.
It's not bad. I would actually, that'd be cool for a little 22. It just bolts on a scope.
It just clicks onto it.
It'd be bad for a little Ruger 1022.
It's certainly not thermal, but you can still see them.
Right.
What I'm going to like about it is this right here, after I shoot a couple pigs with it.
Oh, there's two right there on the highway.
Yeah. This right here pops off, and it's from here back to his eye, that long. And it's just a handheld.
So what are we gonna walk over and kill those, or what are we gonna do?
How far, Kevin? 104. I can actually see him pretty good in this thing.
Yeah, dude, that vision used to be all right.
Little ones. How much? 95. Some grass in the way, but I can make them out pretty clear. I'm gonna go far right. You ready? You ready, James? 2, 1. Wasn't too bad. It had a lot of washout from the smoke shooting, but I think that's night vision in general.
Yeah, no, that is.
That's just night vision.
Yeah.
All y'all's smoke came across my screen. I was like, I'm done for a minute. But this thing ain't too bad, really. So we get out at 450 yards. I could make out the pigs. I could see them. It was a little difficult, mainly because this thing's not rated to see over 328, like we said. But I could see the trees were 450. They were about 20 yards in front of the trees, so realistically about 420, 430 roughly. And then we walked up on them at 105 or 110, and then we got up to about 90 yards away, which is where we were shooting. There they are. They're sitting at about 100 yards away from me. And all the noise from the cars is a highway just to our left. But I'm able to focus them in fairly good at 100 yards away. That's actually not bad. That's kind of impressive, really. I can just make him out at 230 yards. With a tree line behind it, it kind of makes it a little harder though. But we get up closer. We're 111 right here. Get it clear. You can see him right there. That's 111 yards on a pretty decent pig. So I was gonna try to get y'all some more footage of the pig up close, but he kicked his head up in there like he was winding us. He's about to take off. But there they are, 75 yards away, and the pig is. You can see the pig laying down right there beside him. Of course, they're lights are kind of washing this out. But there you go.